here we are.
That was not the one.
Oh my god. Tēnā tātou, ko Aniwa Whaewhua hau.
Ko te iri mana taku ingoa. Ko te rai taku ingoa.
Ko Kamaya hau.
Ko India hau.
Ko Kingston taku ingoa I te rangi nei ki te kai maua I te tero tero.
Take one. Let's go.
Nāji!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What is that?
Tiro tiro is the intestine of the animal. So today we've got the pig.
Pretty slimy.
Yeah.
I don't think I can do it.
I think it might be a bit difficult to get it done, to be quite honest, because there's nothing attractive about intestines, right?
I feel like I'm honest with you.
Are we gonna throw up? They should call this rorororo.
It has quite a fatty, googly texture, if you're wondering what this stuff feels like.
Oh, looks a little bit like calamari.
It's a delicacy, believe it or not. Our people never wasted any part of the animal, because there's goodness in every part of the body.
Yeah, nā, ka rea no maua kia kai e nei kai. Oh, why am I getting more? Fucking ambitious, eh?
That is an intestine, inside out.
Smells
Oh,
really
it smells
good.
nice.
He āhua rite te tirohanga ki ngā like caramelized onions. But then, I te waka pā'au, it feels like roro or like meaty or like, you know?
Actually looks all good, to be honest.
He actually kind of rekaki kakara.
I'm going to dry it first with paper towels. I'm going to slice it quite fine. Parts of it's quite tough, so you want it to be nice and tender. Gotta have butter. So this looks like a lot, because it is.
Right.
Go.
Ah, straight there.
You got a cold. Hand over the onions and it'll make you cry and sneeze. Get
Not
the
over-
hoopy out and get the sausage.
You're like, chewing gum my te muscles. I haven't swallowed any of it. I don't think I can. I'm just like doing the flavour.
There's quite a lot of fat on here, eh? So I don't know if we're going to have to add any more butter, but we'll soon see.
That's enough for me.
I reckon I'll just chuck heaps in, get the authentic taste.
Not crackly yet.
No, I didn't say crackle.
He reka. Reka rawa.
Tastes pretty good.
That was not the one.
Kare like Kendall.
It's not bad at all.
Oh my god.
I think ko taku whakaro te mea nui I te mea I te tino mōhio au he tero tero tēnei kare paku rata ki tērā. Plenty of kai here, chef. You guys can have that for your dinner.
Oh well, anai e te iwi, anai te tiro tiro. No judging, come and have a kai. It's all good, easy to prepare. Lots of goodness in there. Tēnā tātou.
Maybe add some salt, some tomato sauce.